Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Attack on Titan Season 1, Episode 17. Today, I'm gonna watch 4 episodes. That's gonna be cool. I don't know when they're gonna be out on Patreon, on YouTube, I don't know. Still on Patreon, we have 2 episodes of Advance. Still on Patreon, you have the extended or the full reaction part. But you know, the schedule for this month of November and December, it's so like that I'm really trying to be in advance for Attack on Titan, Death Note and The Legend of Korra that I'm binge watching, so I can be in advance for these videos. So when the new seasons of The Witcher, La Casa de Papel and The Expanse are gonna be out, I'm gonna be right there, I can just focus on them. And also I just finished Arcane and I'm beginning The Wheel of Time. Whew, I'm working a lot for you guys, so you can have the usual binge watching and also new shows. Because you know, before that, when new seasons were out, I was just focusing on them, so you guys, you could have my reaction videos about them on time, you know, when the new seasons are out. And the binge watching, you know, the usual videos, they were just waiting, and I was just really making my 5 videos each week, and that was all. Right there, guys, I see you, you know, I see you, and the fact that you are right there, you are expecting my reaction videos for Attack on Titan, Death Note and The Legend of Korra, and I don't want you guys to wait, because with all of these shows, if I'm doing that, you would have been forced to wait like for 3 weeks without any video for the shows for which you are following me. So really, I work hard right there for you guys all of my nights. And for Attack on Titan even more, because yes, it's still painful and it's still difficult to upload these videos, to fight for them. Really, animes, their fair use rules, it's not that they are hard to read, it's that they don't exist. It's just that. So again, if you want to support me, it's better to do it on Patreon, because right now on YouTube they are really taking all of the credits and all of the ridiculous tips that I could have, because look at me, I'm a little reactor. So really the tips on YouTube, they are that thin and still they are taking them. Do you really need that? I'm not sure. That's another story. Okay, Attack on Titan, what happened during the last episode? Team is back, is reunited, that's cool, because Eren, he needs them. He needs his friends. I think that all alone, he can't do things. They are there to push him, they are there to reassure him. They are his friends, you know, and I'm not only talking about Mikasa and Armin, I said it since a long time. I think that Jan can be a good friend for Eren, because of the fact that he's not gonna be the one who is gonna be only like, okay, that's gonna be alright, Eren, and stuff like that. No, he's gonna be there to tell you when you're doing things wrong, and he's also recognized by all of the other guys like a natural leader, as someone who is like them. It was Marco who said it. Oh, poor Marco. It was him who said it, the fact that he's not that strong like Mikasa, he's not that clever like Armin, but because of that, he's thinking about what is the best for everyone, what is right to do, and they need someone like that also to lead them. I really think so. So Eren, he needs someone like that also to give him advices, I think. There with the Recon Corps, they're gonna go on a mission. We'll see who is gonna succeed or not. What he said, you know, the fact that 30% of them would die. Does it mean that with this group, with this team, 30% of them are gonna die also? I don't want to make a death list, you know, for this show. Like, I'm sure that I'm gonna make one. I'm sure with these writers, we saw it, they can kill people just like that and without even showing it, like it was the case for Malko. But I don't want that, and I don't want to guess in advance who is gonna die. I think that at some point, Mikasa or Armin are gonna die. One of them. You know, they are so close to Eren that to be a shock for that character, for Eren, we need one of them to die. It's not something that I want, but it's something that I can imagine. Okay, about the Titans and my theories about them, for me, they are created by one person or maybe more, a group of persons that are using actual humans to create the primitive Titans, you know, the stupid ones, the ones who just want to eat people, to kill people. That's why they are sleeping during the night. That's why some of them are female, male, old, young, little, you know what I mean by that, big, like we have so many differences. Some of these experiences turned bad, and that's why we have the abnormal Titans. But I don't know why this group of people would do that. But it was not enough for them, it was not what they really wanted, and that's why they made these experiences and created these clever Titans. I don't know how to name them, like the Colossal Titan, like Eren, people who can create Titans around them, can summon Titans, maybe it's a better word for that. But why they are doing that? I think that Dr. Yeager is one of them, but that at some point he was not okay with what this group of people was doing. That's why he did that on Eren, to protect him. It's a way to protect him against everyone, but also to create him so he can save them all, you know, he can be against the Titans. Where is he right now, Dr. Yeager? I don't know. And why they are creating these primitive Titans and these clever Titans, for me there is a reason, like they want to keep them inside. They don't want people to get out. They want people to be afraid of getting out. At least that's why they created the first Titans, you know, the primitive ones. But why creating the clever ones to destroy that world so they can kill more people and all? You know, at some point I thought that maybe it was people outside who created these Titans to attack them, like maybe you don't know it, but it's countries fighting each other. But I thought about it more, and it can't be that, because when you are creating these Titans, you can't be sure that they are not going to attack your own country. So for me, I really think that it's people inside of that country, you know, of that thing, of these walls, who created these Titans to keep people inside. But why they would do that, and why now they would decide suddenly to break the walls to kill people inside? Or maybe they wanted people to stay inside, but because of that, you know, people that are just reproducing themselves, and you have too many people inside, so that's why you are breaking the walls to kill people, so there are not going to be so much, and after that you can continue to live for decades, and you will come back to kill people again from the inside. Something like Titans that are a demographic technique to be sure that at first people were gonna stay into your town, and after that to be sure that you wouldn't be too much to survive, like to not eat all of the resources, to make the balance between how many people you have and how many resources you have. Maybe I'm going too far with that theory, you know. But if I have to think that it's a group of people inside of this country town who created the Titans, if I have to find a reason why they would do that, force people to not go outside and after that kill people who are inside, I have to think, yes, about a political, demographic explanation. Okay, I'm gonna stop this intro right now and let's go for this episode 17. I'm sorry for the noise, you know, like they are doing some works into my residence on the parking, you know, I don't know. I'm sorry for that. They are not telling me, you know, when they are doing their stuff, so I can't predict things. And Erwin, I think that you know stuff. You know that these titans that Zoe was studying were killed by people. My theory, killed by the people who created them, you know. Female titan. Oh, we have plenty of them. We saw plenty of them already, no? Female and male, old and young. Ah! Sacha! Come on, guys! Oh, no, he's not dead. He just bite his Stop! Be nice with Armin. He's not a coward like you seem to think. Okay. The first circle. Okay. You're brave, my dear. I believe into you. And even if you're not, I know your reasons. Okay, you're organized. Okay. So the ones inside are gonna be warned. Okay, it's telling you where to go with the green thing. Okay. Clever! Potato girl, careful. Keep your calm, please. What? Like a spider? Like into the exorcist, you know? Kill it! Kill it now! Go, gadget, go. Black? What does it mean? Okay, it means abnormal. It's doing what? It doesn't care about you? Okay. Ooh, good cloud. Did I give up on learning some names? Yes. And yes, the light is gonna come little by little. Don't worry about it. Not for now, at least. A trained one. Now I'm gonna need to learn horse names? No. Yes? It's running on one direction. No. You're not unlucky. It's made on purpose. It's like the Colossal Titan. It's a clever one. It's not an abnormal one, it's a clever one. The female and clever one. It's fighting, it's running, it's... Someone is inside. Like Eren. You want to say the horse? I mean... Hey, oh! It's avoiding you? No? It's targeting Eren, which means that they know about Eren. When I'm saying they, it's the ones who created the Titans. The ones who are these titans? Careful, careful, careful. Armin. What? Why would you want Armin? What? Do you know each other? Do you? It didn't kill you, it looked at you like that. It's someone that you know, who knows you. What about your parents? I mean, they're dead, no?
馬を走らせねえと壁外じゃ生きてられねえぞ。急げ。
飛行士じゃない。巨人の体をまとった人間だ。
なんだって。
急げ。あっちに緊急事態が。なんで
Your mother? I mean, I can't remember how she died. Okay, Jen, you did it.
側から上がったのか。作戦遂行不能な痛手ってことか。なんだか知らねえけど。足の速いやつが何体も来る。
Suddenly, like, no, it's for a reason.
あいつが巨人を率いてきたのか。
Maybe. What is
巨
happening?
人は人を食うことしかしない。その過程で死なせるのであって、食うためじゃなく、殺すために殺したんだよ。
Hmm.
壁を破壊した時に、大勢の巨人を引き連れてきたのは、きっとあいつだ。
You think? You didn't see
攻
it?
撃だ。もしそうだとすれば、そうしているのは、
I think.
もしかして、
Which means that you know about Eren, that he can do that? How would you know you're someone from the inside? Which means that you're someone from the Recon Corps? No?
どこにいるってんだ。
この人権は一番安全なところにいるはず。
奴の脅威の度合いを演談で知らせるなんて不可能だ。
Yes, you need to go and to tell them.
俺たちで撤退までの時間を稼いだりできるかもしれねえ。
叩かれるだけで潰されちゃうよ。
マジかよ。本当にジャングルか。
Yes, I don't recognize
こ
you.
としか考えてない男のはずだ。
No, wrong.
俺はったな。誰のものとも知れねえ骨も燃えかすに。俺には今何をすべきかがわかるんだよ。
I believe in you, Jan.
これが俺たちの選んだ仕事だ。
You can be a good leader, and you have that strength.
フードをかぶるんだ。あいつは僕らが誰かわからないうちは下手に殺せないはずだから。あっちから来た時よりだいぶ遅くなった。
Why?
今手を打たないと。
Can they get tired? Eren can, as a titan, so yes, maybe.
もし足の剣を削いだのなら十分以上。ただし、無茶はしてくれるな。
Careful! No! Jan! No! It knows! No! Hey! It stopped hearing your voice, Armin. No, it knows you.
足を直接狙うのか。いや、いいじゃん。奴が犯人に気を取られている。いや
Right now, I swear. No. Just grabbed you. Didn't kill you. Just grabbed you. Killed you. What? You killed or not? Oh! You can't do that to me.
あいつのつば抜けで優秀で頼りになるやつだったな。もう時間稼ぎは十分だ。最後の手が離れるぞ。
Too emotional. I can't deal with that.
メカ女の野郎め。ビビっちまってお帰りになると思います。
That titan would have killed you without hesitating, but not Armin. It was listening to Armin's voice. That titan knows Armin. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Who's the light? There is no cloud outside, just know that at some point I'm gonna be forced to close my blinds. You have no right to do that, okay? To do that to me, you can't do that to me. I'm not. It's awful because I have the impression that they're gonna do it a lot, these writers. To play with my emotions like that, if you're killing someone, you're killing that person. You're not killing it and after that, oh no, in fact, no, that person is not dead. Oh, they did it already with Eren. Ah, you're gonna do that a lot. I hate you already, writers. You can't do that. Not to me, I'm too emotional. I can't deal with these roller coasters of emotions. Like, I was beginning to have tears into my eyes for Reiner's death, but I really began to cry when you told me that he was not dead. Like, it's like that. I'm someone like that. Like, I'm gonna be so relieved by the information that I can cry a lot because I'm relieved. Do you understand what I mean? Like, maybe I can cry even more because I'm relieved than because I was sad. You can't do that. Okay, this operation, you know, this mission, you're all going, okay, the different positions, it's cool, we understood that. You're organized with all of the flares, the different colors, okay, cool for you guys. I want to think about these titans. The usual ones, the primitive ones, I don't care. Like they said, they are doing their stuff, and it was almost presented like a normal thing, you know, like they were doing their stuff, they were right there, like the scouts didn't see them. But the abnormal one running for you to kill you, and the fact that in such a short time and a short area you have so many of them, that's not normal. To have so many abnormal titans at the same place, at the same time, it's not normal. You think that they were following that female titan? The lights. Sorry for that, I'm forced. I think that no matter what, you know, primitive and abnormal titans, they're gonna follow these clever titans no matter what, no matter who these clever titans are. It was not that particular one who is leading them. No. They are following all of them. Right there, this female titan is targeting Eren. For sure. We know that these titans, these clever titans, it's humans inside. You know my theory, it's a group of humans who created the primitive titans, but also these clever ones. Maybe they are the clever ones, you know. If they are targeting Eren just right there, it means that they know about Eren. So they are not from outside of the town, you know, outside of the walls. They are from inside of the walls to know that information. And also to be just right there at the right time and to be out of the walls. It's not everyone who can cross the walls. So it means that they are part of the Recon Corps. No? To know that information and to be just right there, to know that information, they are from inside. To be just right there outside, it's only the Recon Corps who crossed the walls right there. So they are a part of the Recon Corps, or they took that opportunity to cross the walls, but they are from the inside. Right there, she would have killed Reiner. So it's not something like she's not gonna kill people, she just wants to kill Eren. If she would have killed Reiner, it means that it was you, Armin, that she didn't want to kill. And it was because of your voice that she stopped, you know, she was not moving anymore. That female titan knows you, Armin. I'm pretty sure of it. Your parents, I can't remember his parents. And we know that they are dead, but did we learn at some point how they died? I can't remember. They died, for sure. Can it be possible that they didn't die and they worked with Dr. Yeager and other people? The book that you found Armin, it was not one of their books. It was your grandpa book. So you know there are not travelers, there are not people like that. It was your grandpa who had this book. A female clever titan, so a female human inside of that titan who knows Armin, who didn't kill Armin, who listened to Armin, who was okay to kill the other ones, but not Armin, who is targeting Eren, so who knows about Eren. So someone who was inside, someone from your family, one of your friends? No. Oh. None of them, you know, right there, none of the guy, the girl from this team is a clever titan. It can't be. I was thinking, you know, who is blonde? No. It's none of them. If I follow my theory about it's a group of people who created the primitive titans, the abnormal titans, who are also maybe these clever titans who created them. We don't care. For what reason? I still have no other theories than a political, demographic reason to be sure that no one would go outside, and after that, because people inside, too many people, you know, and you have to kill some of them to balance the demographic situation with the resources that you have to to feed them and all. I'm sorry. Okay? This group of people, Dr. Yeager was a part of it. He did that to Eren because he didn't agree anymore with what they were doing. So Eren can save them all. And they didn't die, they did that. They disappeared. Like Dr. Yeager, he disappeared now since years. So it's usual for people to disappear into this world. That's it. I can't go further than that with the information that I have. Jan is not thinking about himself only. Don't say that, Reina. I'm saying it since episodes now. Jan, I think that he can have one of the most impressive developments, you know, into this anime, because he's coming from a situation, you know, yes, he was thinking only about himself, yes, he was selfish, all of what you want, but we saw him already evolving, you know, with Marco's death, Marco talking to him, pushing him, saying that he can be a good leader, and I really think so. And again, I think that he can be a good person to tell to Eren when he's doing things wrong and all, like, he can lead people, he has, you know, the thing for that, and to do it knowing who they are, and I don't know. I'm putting a lot of hope into that character, I'm not sure why, but for me the experience with Marco already marked him a lot, and he said it right there. He doesn't want any of them to become ashes, you know, like to die. He's already feeling the responsibility for all of them to stay alive. I believe into you, Jan. I'm sorry, I'm blocked on that female titan. You know, at some point I said that maybe the armored titan and the colossal titan, they are the same person. Now, with that female titan, I think that we have different persons, and maybe each one of them is a member of that group. We have some of them inside, you know, some members of this group, because they killed the titans that Zoe was studying. Maybe, in fact, you know, that female titan, the human who created that female titan, is not someone from the inside, but people who were inside transmitted to her the information that Eren is alive, you know, exists, can do that. How can you transmit a message to someone out? They have phones, belts. I don't know how it's working. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video right now because clearly the light, that's a mess. I will see you this afternoon for 3 more episodes and the lights are gonna be better, I swear. It's all for you for today and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.